The president of the People's Democratic Front and also cabinet minister Banteidor Lyngdoh on 24th September, when asked about his plans on rejoining the Congress party, informed media persons that his focus is on strengthening his own party and not move elsewhere. While speaking to a section of the media, Banteidor Lyngdoh informed that the Congress leadership had approached him to rejoin the Congress party, of which he was a former member. On this, Lyngdoh stated that he has no plans as of now to join the Congress party but would continue his friendship with the MPCC chief Vincent H. Pala despite differences in ideological approach to politics. He also added that as president of the PDF, he is well focused on strengthening his party, especially as the MLA election of 2023 is fast approaching.
San berthai de menuhi bang kwa hiru na dewa teriak tinggi hot langsung hiru kajuk hingan itu ifi ka nakaliang jong presiden berthamai mo macam ti pak bangsan di ya weri ong kan boleh filmnya dan lang fila judon teng mensua bat ka parti temang adon tu kopor ka dei bangai le ke MDC job MDC tendang tu bat fila sutu adin bami itu ki kerum keram bede baga kam rang ba snong tengah ngami no ke hadu bangan sa poi nak senang cakap PDF te kata ti ong kan fila judon teng te long kom non daya don lang biang tengai kata tengah ong ngai kata tengah mla ban ong oi ban ong em re kam kabalong himentate dei presiden jongga parti PDF bat ke parti ngam don ye ngaban pej ban komdo bang nang la ban penklan ye parti kata hi tambalong ye kata ka ban sawan ngim lang ban batai tingin saya pej in lang ye kendu mar ngau fi kaju ke lenti gidon ke mensim syakri min don mensim syakri baru ke badan ke mensim syakri haba kimi syakmat nak bentaban syakri yo pej ba te kata hi gade ka jubab nak lang jonga kita ki baru nginai kendu nyelong perlok ke parti ke la ban ye different nak parti ndai ka objektif kalong ngin syakri ko pahatam bang ai pej ba jongka.
On news in social media and other platforms about public dissatisfaction of the MDA government's performance, Cabinet Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh stated that time and time again there have been suggestions, views and discussions between all members of the MDA government for better governance, and such suggestions have never been overlooked but taken into consideration. He added that despite negative public opinion, the MDA government has been doing all it can to see to the welfare of the people of the state.
It has feel on all fronts.
Pi kawai kalong kumni hakakam sensyar khadar ni tu ifi kandon bai hi ka jing kano kandon ka jing ro ti nakaliang ka jonga hi simat ngong ifi bangidon nak sarkar ni shu ya kran ni ju ya ajing mot ni ju ya penbaik ndadon kano ru nakabenta kabit kabiang ju binok song ti haka kamtam haka kamli ban sensyar ka sarkar ka ban yalam natrai all in all kan nambiang kan don be itu duna hantai but hakini ki bro ngong ifi ki don kam hi ban penbaik ki don kam ban perkhat ban yashong ba belai ba ki pa ba ki dom belai pa ba sosi te la filap ya kita gidau don kam ban penbaik marmar kai don kam ndai menang penhe kai kata ngi ju ya kran te kadai ka ba fi ong ma fi kata ka jing keno ya kata ka jing ken tho ka don ngi hi ha ki newspaper ngi social media nomor 2 ki ba ki pa ba nok song kem sutana te kum kini ki boro ngi fi don kam mani penbaik ngi ju ya kran ngi ju ajing mot abang idang ya don lang pada ka sarkar ngi fi ngi mdai ba ong mangin su defend bai ru aba fi bakla ting ha banyak kran te kaju nakaliang ka jongi ngi fi la ki don kinu ki bam itanat bat kinu ki issue ki bakta ya ka imlang salang te kata ngi si kran ngi si penbaik bat kaju ingin persang hikat bala ngi fi banyak kran ya kini ki issue ki ba kiai ban bat kiai pensngo bat kiai ut bat kiai nam kum ki nong song snong apa ko jela bar koi man la ban penbaik nam mangin yo ya kata ka confident jong ki nong song snong jong ko jela jong bar koi